Have you ever wondered what it takes to make these unpredictable, unplanned marks in an abstract painting? Well, it's actually quite simple. At some point, you just have to put the brush down and reach for something else. Something like these. If you want to know my top 10 must-have tools for creating abstract art, sign up below. I'll send you the full list with links on where you could purchase them and a video demoing how I use each one so you can see what you want to bring into your art. You'll become a part of our free abstract community, receive weekly videos, tips and tricks, techniques, artist mindset talks, and answers to questions that we all struggle with as artists. You will also be the first to find out about my next live workshop where we take these tools and paint live together, creating art that speaks to our own self. See, we weren't meant to struggle alone. We were meant to grow and strengthen as a community. And if you want to become a part of that, sign up below. I'll send you everything you need. And I hope that you would join us in the next live workshop. I'll see you there.